Some battery acid manufacturers suggest right on their packaging that you use baking soda on acid spills. Acids are poisons, they're dangerous, and they're hard to deal with. That's old technology. New technology is EncapsulatoRx. We take battery electrolyte or battery acid and we pour it into these two bowls. On the right hand side, we will use EncapsulatoRx. We will snap the cap open, sift some product in there. You see it immediately begins to turn into a solid. We put a little bit more on to make sure it's completely covered. We close the cap. We go to the baking soda side and we sprinkle some baking soda on the same battery acid. And notice that it fizzes and foams and sputters. We use indicator paper to place over both bowls that will detect any presence of acid. On the right hand side you see one purple dot. That's where I dripped some acid on the edge of the bowl when I poured it in there. On the left hand side you'll begin to see spatterings of acid come on the indicator paper. This has changed this liquid acid into a gaseous acid. And that will get in your nose, in your lungs, on your clothes, on your skin. Notice it's still liquid. On the baking soda side, the encapsulator side, is a semi-solid. We put more baking soda on it, replace the indicator paper, and it will continue to turn purple. We take a plastic knife and press the indicator paper down onto the encapsulated side, and there is no color change. We use the same knife and push it down into the acid with the baking soda on it, and it shows dark purple, which indicates a strong acid. It is still liquid. We pick up the encapsulator side and take the knife and just kind of run it around the edge so we can get under it and show you how easily it releases from the surface. Take the knife under there, pick it up. There's your acid spill. Any excess EncapsulatoRx is ready for the next spill. This is your semi-solid mass. This is new technology to handle acid spills.